All right, welcome back, everyone. If you are planning a family getaway this spring break, and a lot of you guys are, there are some must-have gear to make traveling to keep kids entertained, whether on the plane or in a car. And joining me is lifestyle and parenting expert Maggie Jackson. Great to see you.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, this is really great. A lot of people definitely spring break just around the corner, and organization is key, right?
Yes, totally important to stay organized. I end up having little toddler socks at the bottom of my suitcase, trying to find them, and I have a solution for that, and it is this 4-tier packing cube that becomes a collapsible, almost like a portable closet.
Okay.
So you can, if you pick that up.
I'm going to show them. It's really cool. Look.
So we have 4 compartments. The bottom you can store shoes, toiletries. This one right here is the large size. This is the extra large size. In the large size, I have 3 days worth of clothes for 2 children. We're planning a trip to the Seabird Resort in Oceanside. I have swimsuits up top. The next compartment is boys' clothes. The next compartment is girls' clothes with their shoes at the bottom. So when I get there, I just hang it up.
Oh.
Stay totally organized for the whole
trip. And it's got the strap
perfect
to tighten it down, too.
Yes, you can find these on Amazon. They're from the brand Elise.
Elise. Okay, perfect. And then what about this car strap?
So most parents have probably done the lugging through the airport of their car seat. It is not fun. Once you get to your destination, you have to install it in your ride share, take it out. It's no fun to bring those in restaurants. This solves the problem. It's called the Ride Safer Vest, and you put it on like an article of clothing for children 2 and up, and it just clips into the seatbelt, so that way they don't need a car seat. It is legal. It is safe.
Okay.
It is a great solution. If you have a smaller child, you can also get this booster seat. We can pull it out.
We could use a booster seat sometimes here.
Yeah, that way they can look out the window if they're shorter. Yeah,
cute.
it weighs nothing.
Yeah, it's super
and it
light.
comes with this backpack, so your child could carry it with them through the airport, or the adult. You can use these together, or you can use them separately. You can find these at ridesafer.net or at amazon.com.
Ridesafer.net. Okay, and then these are a lot of fun. They're for juniors, little headphones.
Yes, little headphones, but they're durable and they are volume limiting. So, you know, noise-induced hearing loss has become such an epidemic in our country, especially for little ones. So we want to protect their ears with these volume-limiting headphones from Puro Sound Labs. They have their Junior Jams, which is great. The battery lasts for 22 hours with the Bluetooth capability. And I also love this one. It is their Puro Quiets, and it has active noise cancellation as part of the headphones. So you can turn that on so children don't feel the need to turn up their volume. It limits the volume to 85 decibels. They cannot turn it up any higher. And that is the recommended amount of noise that they should be able to hear.
And they're cute.
Yeah, they're cute. Come in so many different colors. They're compactable, so they fit easily in their child's backpack. So those are a definitely good one to have with tablets.
And then in the car, you need to entertain the kids.
Yes, and I love Melissa and Doug brand because they are genius at creating activities and toys and products that get kids off their screen and help them be creative. So I love this Water Wow reusable painting set. You just fill it with water, and let's see if I can get it out. Can't get it out, but you're able to paint, and it dries. It fills it with color, and then when it dries, you can use it over and over again.
It's not going to get on the seat or anything like that.
Right? So we are planning a trip to Marmonte Hotel in Santa Barbara. I'm putting these in the car, and it will keep them busy almost the entire time. If you have a smaller child, it's so cute. You have these hanging toys from Melissa and Doug. This is their newest one, which is a little ice cream cone. That way it always stays close to their little hands. You hang it on their backpack, their car seat, their stroller, keeps them engaged and interested.
And vibrating too.
Yes, totally.
And then you've got the backpacks as well?
Yes, so
just real quick.
Yes, game changing. Once your kids can carry their own stuff, it'll make traveling so much easier. And the North Face brand is known for durable backpacks for family adventures. They have a lifetime guarantee, so you always have free returns. They have this smallest backpack for
little baby,
for itty bitties. They have this one for elementary school children, and this one for tweens and high school kids to bring all of their travel belongings with them.
You've got us covered, Maggie.
Yep.
Thank
Get ready
you
for travel.
so much. This is fun. All right, for more information, the little things, right, Casey, that entertain us.
Oh, exactly.
If you want to find out more travel essentials, you can always head over to Maggie's website. Follow her on Instagram and TikTok as well. She's got all kinds of good information. Thank you again.
Thank you.